Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 home screen widgets for this device. So first of all, in order to get the home screen widget menu, you gotta choose any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens, tap and hold, and click on widgets. Here you have all the widgets that are currently available to you, divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that I would highly recommend on adding, if you don't already have it, is located at the Moto widget category. Here we have 3 designs. They are basically the same, so just choose whatever design appeals visually to you the most. In my case, I'll go with this one, for example. Tap and hold on the desired widget and choose the place where you want to drop it at. I'll leave it right here, right in the middle, for example. So in here it will show time, current date, day of the week, and also the brief weather information, which in order to set up, we gotta tap on the widget, add cities, and enable the location access. So we'll accept it, get back, and as you can see, it now shows the weather. And in order to see the weather information, just tap on this arrow icon. That will switch between few designs that are available for this widget. Alrighty, the second widget that I would highly recommend on adding is obviously the Google search bar. So let's go ahead, find the Google category. In here, tap and hold at the search bar and choose the place where you want to drop it at as well. I want to leave it right here. After that, you're able to change its size, either shrink it a little or make it significantly wider. If you'll tap on the widget after you've added it and confirm it, you can also change its size very easily. And the final widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the YouTube Music widget. So basically just expand the YouTube Music category, choose Now Playing, tap and hold, and place it wherever you like. By adding this widget, you're making sure that each time you're listening to music through the YouTube Music application or YouTube Music streaming service, you will be able to conveniently switch between songs, play, pause, or like or dislike any particular song that is currently playing. You can also switch widgets between your home screens by tap and holding them and moving them between the actual home screens. I'll actually just move it to the separate lock screen. Separate home screen, for example. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.